my dear Gemini, this is Sri Vidya and this is your love reading for the month of March. We'll see what is currently happening with you and what the future holds for you in love for the month of March. Also, I really request for those people with whom the reading resonates, please hit like, as this is an encouragement for us tarot readers as we are doing free reading over here. So let's begin your reading. Archangels, Archangel, my spirit guides, my team of angels, experts, please come and guide us in the reading for Gemini. This is for a reading for the Gemini for the month of March. What is happening in your love life? Please, my dear angels, guide us. What is happening with Gemini in the month of March? The first card is religious factors. Your love life could be influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. And the final card is passion. And this could be the one. Wow, you have already met the romantic partner you seek. So what I am sensing over here, my dear Geminis, this is that I am sensing that you have been into a relationship in the past, but that abruptly ended and there was a very painful ending to it. But now for the past couple of months I have been observing that your love life has extended to some other level. This is a new love that you are attracting, and that person knows you. You might not be knowing that person, but that person is like feeling a passionate connection with you, but he is not approaching you as of now because there are some issues that's prohibiting him to come to you. Also, I'm also sensing that your ex is there was a difference between you and your ex because of some family members or some religious issues that I am sensing. And now your ex is very much attracted and is being very passionate towards you, um, although he could not be saying this to you. So let's dig deep into your reading. This is the theme that I am getting for you. Please tell me, my dear cards, what my Geminis are actually going through. 3 cards to specify what you people have gone through in the past, and 3 cards in the present, what you are going through. 3 cards for the past. What happened with my Geminis? 3 cards for the past. What happened with my Geminis? Knight of Pentacles, 10 of Wands, and one card more, please. One more card. The Judgment. Okay. So I am sensing that you in the past you have been carrying on some burden that could be related with your stability and the love offer as well, but you drop that burden. Also, the person you are connecting to in the past, your ex, you must be madly in love with the person who just promised you something, although he could not have done that, but you carried on the burden of that promise, waiting for him to come and approach to you, but later you just moved out of it because of the thing not flowing in the direction that you expected, and that this was a burdensome relation for you. What you are currently going through. Present energies of my Geminis. Page of Cups reversed. Present energies of Geminis. Queen of Swords. And one more card. One more card. 8 of Wands reverse. So presently I am sensing that you are not at all talking with that person. You are giving him a very cold shoulder and you are very much being very guarded about your emotions, and you're not letting the ex approach you anyhow. If he does, he is he is afraid to come to you. This is Page of Cups reversed. This person is like also non-apologetic. You are expecting an apology from him, but he is not coming with an apology. And you are sensing that he could approach you with some bad intentions, not with the commitment. This is just the passion that he is carrying, and that's why you're being very strict in your demeanor. This is your card only, and you're not talking with this person. If you could be talking, that the talk could be very short, very to the point. That's what I am saying. Okay, so now let's some cards about this person that you are connected. Please get the energies of the partner of my Geminis, what he is thinking about my Geminis. This could be the new, or this could be the past partner. We'll get to know about it. Let's begin. What this person is currently thinking about my Gemini. What this person is currently thinking about my Gemini. The Hierophant reversed. Six of Swords reversed. I expected this. And Knight of Wands. See, King of Pentacles is also reversed. So what I am sensing is that this person broke the long-term commitment that you had with him once, and also for some of you, this person got married to someone else. Now he sees that what he expected was, the grass was not greener on the other side, and so now he really wants to come back to you. He really desperately wants to come back to you. Although the coming back is not stable, he is being a Knight of Wands. So this will be, if you accept this person, he'll come and he'll just leave you on the spot only. This is just a passion. See, the passion energy is that this person is very much attracted and being passionate towards you. The future, what he is, please tell me what this person is hiding from my Geminis. What this person is hiding from my Geminis. This person could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I'll tell you the most prominent energy that I'm getting later in the reading. Right now, this person is waiting for you to approach him, because he is seeing that he is not getting any, he's not coming out with any plan how to approach you. He is just waiting for you to approach him. And also, he is not, wherever this person has married or in committed relationship, he is not happy in that relationship. The desires that once he thought that other person could fulfill, no, he is not getting that much of the love that you once gave to him, he is not getting from that other person. So he wants to come back to you. What he is going to bring to the table in future, what he is going to do, planning to do. He is not thinking about coming towards you. No. See, because he is committed somewhere else. King of Cups and King of Pentacles, both. This person has been, this person has also loved you. This is not that he has not loved you, but due to some religious factor is coming. So his family could have been in the middle, but I'm also sensing that this person also wanted to get settled somewhere else. That's why he opted what he actually did in the past. And now even though he wants to come to you, but his hands are tight. I'm seeing that he is not currently working with you. He is also being very much distant, although he is watching you. He is watching you. Can you please give me more cards regarding what this person, ex of my Geminis, are hiding from Geminis? What they are hiding from Geminis? What they are hiding? Justice. Libra energy. What they are hiding? And Knight of Cups reversed. The World reversed. Earth energy. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What I am sensing is that he is hiding that The justice has been served already. He is now getting the karmas that he actually did. uh, and he is not emotionally satisfied wherever he is. He cannot approach you, but he really 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 wants to approach you. This is so much of love in here. This person dreams about you. This person now realizes how you were the sunshine of his life. You were like, you both were like, he used to feel that he was a kid in front of you. It was such a beautiful relationship that this person thwarted away. So he is hiding that. Yes, he really feels that justice has been served. What he did with you was wrong, and now he is actually sensing the outcome of it. Okay. Can you please clarify what kind of justice? What kind of justice has been served? What kind of justice has been served? What kind of justice has been served? Six of Pentacles reversed. And one more card. One more card. The Hangman. And the Ace of Pentacles reversed. This is simply what is coming over here is that he is imbalanced. The balance that you used to give him, it's not there. He doesn't know how to approach you, how to move in life. There is financial issues also, and also if he married someone else, the marriage is not going on right. Also, if not married, if the engagement has been there, the engagement has been called off. So, and he is like just watching what has happened in front of him, like he's contemplating it actually, and his hands are all tied up. He doesn't know where to go, what to do. Okay, so outcome of this relationship, my dear guys, please. Outcome is 50-50. For some of you, this person is going to come and reconcile with you. For others, he wants you to reconcile with him. He is like blaming you for all this. I am sensing that he is being a very immature personality. He is blaming you for whatever happened, and you are the one who is supposed to come, even though this person is in and out. He is really very much passionate towards you, very very much passionate towards you, but he'll not admit it. Any advice for my Geminis? Any advice for my Geminis? Any advice for my Geminis? Eight of Pentacles reversed. Two of Wands reversed, and one more card. Advice for my Geminis. Nine of Cups. See, the thing is that you are happy in yourself. You are supposed to enjoy the life that you are, and you are really shining. And you are not supposed to work with this person. You have the decision that you have taken in the past to leave this person. Just stick with it, or like if you stick with it, this person might understand your worth. You are, I'm sensing that you are enjoying in yourself. You are really happy. You could also be doing some work that gives you wish fulfillment, and also some wish fulfillment is around the corner. So there could be new love. I also sense new love for some of you. So let's wait for it, hope for it. And also let me get some romance cards. What the ex of you wants to say to you, what the ex person wants to say to my Gemini. Okay, I want to travel the world with you. What the ex wants to say to my Geminis? What the ex wants to say to my Geminis? You are so precious to me. My love for you is without bound. And final card is you are a diamond of immense strength and beauty. See, this person cheated you, has done something really bad to you, but this person also respects you because you stood by your ground. You are shining more brighter than what you used to shine earlier. So he respects you. Some more cards from Twin Flame deck. I have never forgotten you even though you think I have. Okay. I want to be authentic. I am no longer afraid. So this person, for some of you, definitely your ex is coming and coming with an apology. I think, or even not with apology. This person is really intending to talk to you. I can't seem to find the right words to say to you. He is going to talk to you, but he doesn't know what he really needs to say because he knows the gravity of situation he put you in. I just wasn't ready for you. See, this person was not ready for you, and that's why he left you out in the cold. So this was your reading, my dear Geminis. The major sign that I am getting is one second, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is here, and uh, Libra is also here, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. In fact, all the signs are here. So this was your reading, my dear Geminis. Please let me know whosoever resonated. Please give me your comments so that I can put more readings like this here. So bye for now. This is Srividya signing off. Bye.